I'm just sitting here. Who's really gonna be lucky enough to like be the second parent? Like, who am I gonna bring children into this world with? And maybe I'm just gonna bring children into this world with myself, but if I bring children into this world with another person and I decide to raise kids in this world with another person, that person is so incredibly lucky, and they're so incredibly lucky. And I'm so incredibly lucky to have that person, but it's mutually beneficial and both of us are thriving. But it's just like, wow, like, bless that person in advance. Okay, so I'm at Honda Oakland and I'm about to buy a car and I'm so nervous. Like, how do people buy cars? This is such a huge decision. Bruh, what? What the hell? Okay. I'm trying this plant-based sandwich from Pete's Coffee. It's not bad. It's not bad. It has a Beyond Meat sausage patty, just eggs, so not real eggs, and some sort of vegan cheddar on a, I guess it's supposed to be like an everything bagel. I'm not getting much everything from the bagel, but it's not bad. It does need jelly. Beyond Meat patties should totally think about putting a little chicken apple flavor in there, you know what I mean? Man, I hate the texture of vegan cheese. It sticks to my teeth. It's very strange. I'm gonna roll up my window. So yeah. It's not bad. So if you're at Pete's Coffee and you want a sandwich that's vegan, and I got a vegan breakfast sandwich. It's not bad, but bring some jelly with you. Get a jelly packet or something. I need jelly. Obviously, I'm still eating it. No? The spirit of depression is real. And I'm trying to recognize its patterns. Truly. But being in the car and having the sun hit me is making a little bit of a difference. I really bought a car with no job. Why did I do that? For what? What was the reason? I need like a sign from the universe. Because what the actual fuck am I doing with my life? What the actual hell am I doing with my life? What are we doing? I knew this was coming. I've been feeling so disconnected from myself and from my body. Like I'm floating. Like I'm not really here. I think I'm here, but I'm not really here. Damn. I have therapy tonight. That's good. Because I be disassociating. I don't know where I go. Do you disassociate? Hey, good afternoon. I look a little dry because I didn't have my proper face stuff. I digress. Today is a nature day. I don't have a hat or nothing. You see me, I'm out here. Oh my god, I look so dry. But anyways, today I'm about to go up near Santa Cruz, like Aptos area, to go hike. And I'm in San Jose right now. I'm not usually over in this neck of the woods, but I'm about to stop at this vegan restaurant called Happy Hooligan and see what they have. I hope they have some like breakfast things. I never been, but let's try it out, cause yo. Okay, let the hike commence. Okay, I'm about to try this. It's a vegan enchilada, jackfruit enchilada. It looks so damn good. I think it's finna hit. And then I got a Thai iced tea with it and it's hella good. Happy Hooligans. Off for a swim. Pool's back open near me for lap swim. Haven't swum since October and I'm running late. I only have 30 minutes. Alright. Y'all. Excuse whatever, I just got done swimming and it's been a minute. I haven't really swum since October, and even when I swim in October, that wasn't like frequent. Like it wasn't like I was swimming every a couple weeks every October. So the way they have this swim set up, you get 30 minutes. I got there late, like 10 minutes late, probably got in the water, probably had around 15 minutes. Barely swam, was 2 laps short of a 300. If you don't know about swimming, a lot of pools are 25 yards. So 4 laps is a 100. Bruh, when I tell you, I did my 200, which took me forever because like after each lap I was like winded. So I did my 200. And then they said 5 minutes. And then I did 2 more laps and I chilled. Man. And so the thing that sucks though about swimming and how they have it set up in my city is that you can only sign up for 1 session per 2 weeks. So we're gonna see. All in all, still a good workout. You know what I mean? Still good. Still some good cardio, but damn, I got work to do. I got a website. Go look at it if you want to know what I've been up to and what I'm thinking about and what I'm working on. Also, I'm accepting clients for PR and communications. If you're a small business or a nonprofit, grassroots, or holla at me. Look at me, shake my body, because I got a website. Thanks, y'all. Uh-oh. Keep it going. Okay. Thank you. Bye.